Proverbs 4 verse 5. Get wisdom, get understanding. Forget it not, neither decline from the words of my mouth. It is a message of the Lord for you today, that God wants you to have His wisdom. And He doesn't want you to live in foolishness, but God wants you to be wise and to have a discerning spirit. And God wants you to take away the sins in yourselves. And God wants you to take away your madness. And God doesn't want you to live life full of darkness, but to live life full of light to God above. And thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all.